This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Brandy Holdeman. Available August 2022 but could be available as soon as June 1st. Newer townhome with 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. Open floor plan. Close to schools and shopping. This home has like-new appliances, a rear patio area, and plenty of parking. The paint, main floor laminate flooring, and upstairs carpeting is all just a year old. Washer and dryer included. For more information, review the details below or contact Brandy Holdeman at 812-323-1231.